Om Jnanadevandasya Jananyamslavaya Chakshurmidam Jena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhikaya Tadale Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Namo Mahavadannaya Krishna Premodayate Krishna Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gaurase Namah. He Krishna Sarana Sindhu Jagate Kanta Radha Kanta Satranjan Gauram Virari Vrindavaneshwari Shri Devi Pranam Om Vindai Tulasi Devi Priya Krishna Krishna Bhakti Devi Sattavati Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Sivasadi Shri Gaura Bhakta Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. How Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Mahavadannata. Mahavadannata means magnanimity. What is the magnanimity of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Same Krishna, he appears in Kali Yuga in the form of Sajinandana Gaura. Because Krishna, he took Srimati Radhika's complexion and her mood. Radha Bhav অঙ্গীকার করে কৃষ্ণ অবতীর্ণ হইল গৌর রূপ ধরি। And Krishna, he took Srimati Radhika's bhav mood and her complexion and appeared in the form of Sajinandana Gaura. Krishna, he has 64 qualifications. But 4 qualifications is called extraordinary. Rupa Madhurya, sweetness of his beauty. Lila Madhurya, sweetness of his divine pastimes. Prema Madhurya, sweetness of his divine love. Or fourth, Venu Madhurya, sweetness of his sound of his voice. Srimad Bhagavatam, Sura Sukdev Goswami Pad. All this Leela very nicely described. How Krishna's beauty, Sundar, and very attractive. That is called Urva Madhurya, sweetness of his beauty. Kastrangate Karapadam Mridavenu Go Drija Druma Hiranna Palakana Vibram. Sukdev Goswami Pad told when Krishna played the flute, everybody attracted with his beauty and sound of his voice. In the cows of Vrindavan, calves of Vrindavan, even the trees, birds, all they attracted with Krishna's beauty. Gavascha Krishna Mukha Nirgata Venu Gitam. Even the cows of Vrindavan, how they intoxicated with Krishna's beauty. Very nicely explained this. So just I will say Krishna's 64 qualifications, but 4 qualifications get extraordinary. And the same way, Krishna here, Krishna is called the embodiment of manifestation of Magna. Mahavadannata. Namo Mahavadannaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gaurati. Rup Sanatan, when they first met with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that time Rup Sanatan, they quoted the verse and close like Lord Chaitanya. Namo Mahavadannaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gaurati Sena. So Gaur Sundar, his magnanimity, the unique and unparalleled. But Krishna also has magnanimity. Vedanta Mahachit is Krishna. He has many incarnations. In incarnation, he gives mercy to all the living entities and purify heart the devotees. Those are many kinds of unearthers. But Krishna, he distributed this prem in Vrindavan, all the trees. He gives prem. But Krishna, he distributed this prem only in Vrindavan. Krishna, when he traveled one forest to another forest, and that time he also gives mercy to all the living entities. Just Krishna touched the creepers or trees, they also absorbing ecstatic mood. How scripture explains this? When Krishna performed Leela in Vrindavan, just Krishna told, "Hey Kripa, you start to dance." Then Kripa start to dance. So, in this way, Krishna, he has so much love and affection with the residents of Brajavasi. And he distributed this prem in Brajavasis, only inside of Braj, not outside of Braj. But same Krishna appeared in the form of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he distributed to everyone. And he did not discriminate who is qualified or unqualified. Jare dekhe tare dhyan prem bilaiya. Who is coming in front of him, and Lord Chaitanya giving this prem. Pasupaki jure, pasano vidore, sunijaro gunagatha. Pasupaki jure, pasano vidore, sunijaro gunagatha. Our Vaishnava Thakur also glorified our Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Pasupaki jure pasana vidare. One who listens Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's name, then heart melted. So the Pasupaki jure pasana vidare suni jara gunakatha. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called the embodiment of magnanimity. Karunya, Mahakaruna. Krishna also Karuna, but Krishna gives prem only inside of Vrindavan, not outside of Vrindavan. Our Mahaprabhu gave prem. So, Madhurya Kadamini Grantha Sri Vishwanath Chakravarti Park explains how Mahaprabhu at a time 7 types of bhav manifested in the heart of the devotee. Yes. First that is called Saundarya Prakash. क्या बोला?
सौंदर्य प्रकाश.
Mahaprabhu Saundarya, sweetness, beauty, unique and unparalleled. So Mahaprabhu is the combined form of Radha and Krishna. Yes. Just to compare Krishna's beauty and Mahaprabhu's beauty. Yes. So that is called Saundarya. And Mahaprabhu Saundarya, unique. Even the Rajamananda, when he saw Mahaprabhu's form, roop, then Rajamananda fainted. Asi Prabhu Tari dikhailo, Rasaraj Mahabhav Sarup. Rasaraj Mahabhav Sarup. The combined form of Rasaraj and Mahabhav. Krishna is called the embodiment of Rasa. Srimati Radhika is called the embodiment of Mahabhav. So Rasaraj Mahabhav Sarup manifested. Then Rajamananda could not tolerate himself. He also fainted. তাহা দেখি রায়রানন্দ মূর্ছিত হইল. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested Rasaraj Mahabhav Sarup, that time Rajamananda fainted. This thing Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami says. Because Rajamananda first told Prabhu, you are same Krishna. Jug Uddharite Nam Prem Uddharite Tavo Avatar. You appeared in this Kali Yuga to preach Nam Sankirtan and distribute the prem. This is it. Then Mahaprabhu very humble told Rajamananda, I heard about your Katha, you are Uttam Mahabhagavad. Because who is Uttam Mahabhagavad? His symptoms? Sarvabhuti Japasya Bhagavad Bhava Bhagavati Bhava. So Bhagavata Uttam. So this Japasya, one who every has studied. And everybody will start study according to his own mood. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu acting this role of a Mahabhagavata. He is Krishna Bhagavan. Abar jangam dekhe nadhikitar murti jahaja netra pade ishta deve spurti bandiki brahmai e vrindavan jahanadi dekhoye manoye kalindi mahapreme bhasi jayeka. This is from Uttam Mahabharata. So Rajamananda, he told Prabhu, now I am looking your activities, actually you are Uttam Mahabharata. Mahaprabhu told, yeah, I heard your glories from the mouth of Sarvabhauma. But Rajamananda told Prabhu, don't cheat me. पहिले देखिले तुम्हार सन्नास रूप. पहिले देखिले तुम्हार सन्नास रूप. First I saw your sannyas रूप, sannyas form, saffron cloth, and door covering. I saw you everything. Then I saw Krishna Sarup, very nice, beautiful, blackish form and three-band form. These things. Very nice, beautiful foot, hands, eyes, everything. Then I saw one very nice, beautiful, and young girl, there is Kanchan Uttarika. That means Srimati Radhika. Tapta Kanchana Gaurani. Very nice, beautiful, molten gold color, complexion, the young girl. Then I saw that young girl, molten gold, complexion, the young girl. She completely covered your blackish form. Yes, that. And Ange Dhaka. And Kanchan Panchalika, that Ange Dhaka. And completely covered with the complexion Srimati Radhika. Yes. And also very nice, beautiful, smiling face, everything. Then Mahaprabhu could not hide himself. हासी प्रभु तारे दिखाइल रसराज महाभाव स्वरूप. Then Mahaprabhu smiled and Mahaprabhu manifested. And very nice, beautiful Rasaraj Mahabhav Swarup. Krishna is called Rasaraj. Srimati Radhika, she is called embodiment of Mahabhav. When Rajananda saw that Rajananda could not tolerate himself, also Rajananda fainted. So Srimati so now Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called the embodiment of Rasaraj Mahabhav. Actually Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Mahabadannata. This thing. Saundarya Prakash, in this way Chaitanya Mahaprabhu form or beauty is unique and unparalleled, more than Krishna. What will say to us? Krishna is blackish form, but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called gold, molten gold. But same Krishna, very nice, beautiful hand this. So this is called Saundarya Prakash. Param Mangalmay Bhagavan, Lord here. He is called Mangalmay, all auspiciousness. And he had innumerable qualifications, and he attracted all the essences of the living entities. क्वालिफिकेशन क्या क्या होता है? फर्स्ट सौंदर्य, सुंदर रूप. Just we all explain.
Beauty is form.
Beautiful form. सौंदर्य रूप. What is the सौंदर्य रूप? Rasaraj Mahabhav. This is called Chaitanya. Rasaraj Mahabhav. That means combined from Radha and Krishna. Krishna is called Raj, Akhilam, and all us inside. Srimati Radhika is called Mahabhav. Bhavir Bhav, Bhavir Sar, Mahabhav, Mahabhav Sarupini, Radha Thakur. Premise the essence of love, that is called Bhav. The essence of Bhav, that is called Mahabhav. The essence of Mahabhav, that is called Srimati Radhika. Premise Sar Bhav, Bhavir Sar, Mahabhav. Mahabhav Sarupini Radha Thakur. Actually, we are speaking, cannot understand what is the Mahabhav. Understand? If you heard the name, but if you never see that thing, just to imagine what is this. If the person, if you go, if you never seen the coconut, what is that? Papaya. Then you think which is papaya, which is coconut. And what is the tree?
Supermarket.
And who is the mango? What is the mango tree? What is the coconut tree? What is the papaya tree?
Buy in the supermarket.
Supermarket. But supermarket, not the tree there. Supermarket, the coconut can see.
Also cold country, no tree.
No tree. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did manifested with nice, beautiful Rasaraj Mahabhav. That is from the roof, beautiful form. Only Radhamanda he saw Mahaprabhu's Rasaraj Mahabhav. Having confidence. Mahaprabhu himself told to Radhamanda, don't tell to anybody. But he could not hide himself also. He is Krishna. He tried to hide himself. He said, I am not Krishna, I am not, what is it called? Krishna, I am an ordinary human being. And Mahaprabhu many times told. Even Mahaprabhu told, I am Mayavadi Sannyasi. But he could not hide. When especially Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in Vrindavan, that time all the cows, birds, deer, they are chasing behind Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And cows, they are coming very close to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and lick his body. The Krishna Ganga Paya Gavirik Chachila Gaurasi. Cows, they realize because sweet smell coming from the body of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Krishna Gandha. Krishna Gandha. The smell of Krishna. So cows, they came very close to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and deer, they are coming very close to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Where Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is sitting, they are very coming very close to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recited many stuti this way. Dhannas mamragata hiranyeta jannupat vijitra vesam akarna venu runitam saha Krishna sara. Saha Krishna sara. The essence of life is what? Krishna. What is your essence of life? Krishna sara. Krishna sara. Nothing this thing. In morning I told we cannot take one
Needle with us.
piece of needle with us. What we should do? Even my hand will also not go. Our hand body will be burned in the fire. So how possible we will take the needle in our hand? And morning I told this katha. Is it true? So Krishna Sara, Dhannas Mumuragato Hiranyeta Jananupato Vijitra Vesam Akarna Venu Ronitam Saha Krishna Sara Pujadun Viraja Pranaya Ullokari. When they are very coming very close to Krishna and Krishna also fatting on their back. Then their heart completely hurt, melted and tears rolling down, and only looking the lotus face of Krishna. So I also take Krishna. All only listen what is your serve essential of that. How to serve to Krishna. Govinda Das. So Krishna Sara. So we have Krishna Sundar Rup, that a very nice beautiful form. Then Saurabha. Saurabha means sweet fragrance. Same coming when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in Vrindavan. The cows, they also licked the body of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because Krishna Gandha is coming. Understand? The smell of Krishna coming from. Saurabha. Sausarja. Sausarja means nice, beautiful, sour voice. Radhe Radhe Bole Murali Dakive Modiyo Ishwari Namo Radhe Radhe Bole Murali Dakive Modiyo Ishwari Namo. Bhaktivinoda Thakur sang this song. Which song? Chintamani Moy Radha Kunda Tata Tai Kunja Sata Sata Prabalo Mudru So in this verse also Radhe Radhe Boli Murali Dakive Modiya Iswarina. Bhaktivinoda Thakur sang this song. When Krishna played the flute and singing, what is the name? Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. That time Srimati Radhika is running for Krishna. Sundar Sar, very nice, beautiful. Bharesh coming. So Kumarji, very nice, beautiful. Beautiful form, soft form. That is communion. Very soft. Krishna's body. Then Saurasya. Saurasya means Ras, Adharamritam. Very nice, beautiful, sweet nectar coming from the lotus leaves of Krishna. That is called Saurasya, Ras, Adharamritam. Gopi sometimes criticize the flute. Hey, flute Vangsi, you tell to us your previous life, what kinds of pious activities you did. Previous life, what kinds of pious activities you did, tell to us. Kasmat kusalasma Venu. Hey Venu, flute, tell to us. Because always you are tasting, licking the sweet nectar from the lotus lips of our beloved Krishna. And you are called masculine gender, Purushjati. Those who are masculine gender, Purushjati, they have no right to tasting our beloved Krishna's sweet Adharamritam. You can. But you are always staying on the lips of our beloved Krishna and tasting our Krishna's Adharamritam. So tell to us your previous lives, pious activities, Punya Karma. Rasa, how is beautiful, sweet rasa? Taste, remnants of Krishna. Who can explain? So is the Krishna Adharamrita. Udarja. Udarja means magnanimity. Udar. Generosity. Udar. Who is poor or who is rich, qualified, unqualified, not looking. Who is coming, take this. Even those who are not taking, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu by force also giving. Take this, why not take? You have to take it. 6 types of people, they don't want to receive Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy. Each Vyakti पढ़ने वाले हैं, so you are already absorbed to study. They don't want to receive the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu chasing. You have to take. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, I brought these valuable things from Golok Vrindavan. Now I am looking here, no one qualified to receive. But I will not again to return back to Golok Vrindavan. Because it's heavy. If you bring the heavy things to sell in the market, but there are no buyers, what will do?
Give it away for free.
It is better to give the
Free.
free distribution. Because how to return back? If I return back to India again, I will pay so much money. Every flight give a lot of money. One luggage allowance. And if you take more than
23 kilos.
over 23 clothes, then I have to
Pay tax.
pay tax more. So it is better give to free. Take this. Mahaprabhu also told this. I brought this. So how to distribute it? So lot of I pray. So Mahaprabhu says, I cannot distribute alone. Nityananda, Advaita, Acharya, all will help to me and distribute it. Mahaprabhu, how is very merciful. Mahaprabhu told, I can distribute alone. Not possible. Because too heavy of things. So you call, hey, Nityananda, Advaita, Acharya, Gadadhar, all you come. And distribute this praise to you. This is Mahaprabhu. So that is called Udarata. Udarata?
Generosity.
Generosity of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then seventh, that's the Karunata, Karunya Bhav. Karunya kisu kahte? What is the meaning of Karunya? Compassion. If you see others suffering, then your heart will melt. So in the same way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Karuna, Mahaprabhu realized the conditioned soul, they are suffering in this material world. They are threefold. How they are suffering? Who is not suffering in this material world? Everybody suffers. Adhantik, Adidovik, and Adibhoti. But conditioned soul, they are not thinking they are suffering. They are thinking, I am happy. If you ask, how are you? Are you okay? Are you okay?
Fine.
Actually, you are not okay. You are not fine. But just your lip service saying, I am fine. Everybody, from one small insects to Brahma, everybody is suffering in this material. Adhatik, Adidevi, and Adibhoti. So Mahaprabhu is saying, no, I have to deliver from them. This is called Karuna. Karuna avatirna Kalu. Kalu in this Kali Yuga, he mercifully manifested. He mercifully manifested all his Leela, Dham, everything. Bhaktana Anugrahaya Manusam Dehamastitam. Lord manifested his Dham. His Sarup, Nam, Vigraha. What things? His Dham. First his Dham is where Guru Vrindavan. Then manifested his Dham also in this material world. How? With his Yogamaya. Nam, his name is also transcendental, Aprakita Dibbana. But this Nam is Guru Vrindavan Nam, descended manifested in the material world. So Dham, Nam, Sarup, Vigraha. Vigraha also there. Chinman, Vigraha. You are thinking, I brought this in from Jaipur or something. Actually, this is not true. Vigraha is transcendent. This Vigraha is transcendent. So the Nam, Vigraha, Sarup, the Tine Nahi Ved, there are no different among these things. Nam, Vigraha, and Sarup. Vigraha, Sarup, this is called Sachidananda. And his name, sweet name is also very sweet. Or Sarup, his own origin form. So for the Karuna Avatirna Kalu. Kalu means in this Kali Yuga, he mercifully manifests his Nam Vigraha Sarup.
क्षमा आ जाते उसमें करुण्या में
Karunata. Karunata means mercy.
उसमें क्षमा आ जाते.
So it's up there it is. Kshama means is one who committed offense, then forgiveness. Jagai Madhai. They committed offense. But Nityananda Prabhu, where Madhai Deva hit the head of Lord Nityananda Prabhu and Bradkan. But Nityananda Prabhu, he never complained. Someone told to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, or they there are two drunkards. Eh? Nityananda, what is called? Jagai and Madhava. They attacked Lord Nityananda Prabhu. Then Nitya Chaitanya Mahaprabhu heard. Jagai and Madhava's son and also hit it on his head. And brought. Then Mahaprabhu could not tolerate it. Mahaprabhu immediately attacked. And called his Sudarshan Chakra. By Nityananda Prabhu, hold the Lord Spirit Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Prabhu, in this incarnation of Gaura Avatar, you promised you will not hold any weapons. Ramadi avatare kodena astodhare eva astra nadhirilo pranikaro namarilo harinam diya korila sudhar. In the incarnation of Ram Krishna, and all the incarnations become very angry because demons they disturb to society. But in this incarnation of Gaura Avatar, it is taking vow, in this Gaura Avatar, I will not hold any weapon. Look how is much. So they Namo Mahabadannaya Krishna Prema Pradayate. Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gaura. And it was the highest prema, Krishna Prema to everybody. So this is Mahakarunata. Karunata, Udarata. This is the call from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And he delivered also impartialist, Dharma Bhattacharya, Prakasananda, Saraswati, and Buddhist. Vedana Mania Hoilu Buddha Nastik. Buddhists, they don't believe about Vedas. Vedas is called. Krishna Mukha Nisitavan. Krishna is the Vedas complete manifested from the lotus lips of Krishna. These things. So Buddhists, they don't want to receive the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This thing also explained in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu defeat the Buddhists. Then their disciples, they don't believe. And that time they offered to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and what is called? Some meat to do with one plate. In the meantime, one eagle bird came and took the plate and threw in the head of the Buddha's Guru. Then his head little bit wounded. So much blood coming. Then Mahaprabhu again came and also gave blessing. Then all the disciples of Buddhists, they surrendered to lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Vedana Mania Buddha Hoilo Nastik. Buddhists, they are completely atheists because they have no faith with Vedas. Or Vedas, what is saying, this is true. Some Bhattacharya also discussed these things with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But Mahaprabhu told, this Brahma has Achinta Sakti. Any Achinta Sakti, everything is possible. Achinta means you are beyond of our material conception. This is called inconceivable potential. Even this material one, many kinds of Achinta Sakti we are looking. One day I give an example, that is called Parmal. Parmal, understand? One where they sabji, very tasty. But their leaves were very bitter. Their roots as like poison. If you eat the roots of the parmal, then you will die. Actually, are these fruits? very sweet and tasty. How possible? Because this is coming, the rasa is coming from roots to branches, leaves, then coming to the fruits. Eh? And this, even this Achinta Shakti has also. Eh? The Brahma, he has also Achinta Shakti. Eh? He is a Nirvikar. Eh? He has no mention, but he Achinta Shakti, he also takes a form. Vikar manifestation is coming. Eh? When is Vikar, then creation comes. System. Eh? So that means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told that is called Shakti Parinam Bad. Shakti Parinam Bad. Mahaprabhu described it. Eh? The doctrine of the manifestation of Brahma's potential. Shakti Parinam Bad. Eh? One is called Vastu Parinam Bad, and is called Shakti Parinam Bad. Eh? Not everybody can understand. Vastu is what? Substance. Substance. But, as like one piece of gold. The piece of gold, then you can also make many kinds of ornaments, earrings, ankle bells, necklace, many kinds of golden ornament you can make. And again all these ornament golden are mixed together, and also again you transfer in one piece of gold. A Shakti Parinam, Mahaprabhu gave the emphasis about Shakti Parinam. Shakti Parinam. Parinam means transformation, the doctrine of transformation. That transformation. That's why milk transferred in yogurt, but yogurt is not transferred in milk. दही से, ये दूध से दही बनता है, लेकिन दही से कभी दूध नहीं बनेगा. Krishna, with his inconceivable potency, Ananta Shakti. Ananta Shakti is called Jiva Shakti. And manifested in form of Jiva. But Jivas cannot become Brahma or Krishna. Mayavadi philosophy, this is Mayavadi, they think Jiva is Brahma. How was Jiva will become Brahma? So for this regard, they don't believe about Jivas. So they believe only one thing, Eka Brahma Ditya Nam. But Mahaprabhu told, no, Shakti Parinam Bad. Jiva Shakti. The potency of Jiva. Jiva Shakti. Then Jiva is manifested. Jiva Namak Shakti se Jiva Namak Vastu Prakashit. We manifested from the potency of Krishna, that is called Jiva Shakti. Internal potency of Krishna. That is called Sarup Shakti. Internal potency. Sarup Shakti, Savaro Upari. So I am saying because Krishna has unlimited form, Shakti, these. So he had to compare. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Mahavadannata. For Vishwanath Chakravarti Pada explained, Krishna is called Madhurya Pradhan Udarja. What do you mean?
Predominance of sweetness, the mode of sweetness in him.
Krishna is the Madhurya Pradhan. His sweetness is prominent. And Udarja means magnanimity, that is called the secondary. And same Krishna coming in the form of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. There is Udarja Pradhan, Madhurya. Udarja, Udarata is what? Magnanimity, prominent, primary. Or Madhurjata, secondary. This is the two. So for this I use this word. Krishna is called the Madhurya Pradhan and Udarja. A Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called Udarja Pradhan. This thing. Very difficult to understand. But if you listen again and again, maybe one day you understand. Just to listen. What do you listen? To forget. That was
Madhurya Pradhan Audarya.
Udarja.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is
Udarja Pradhan.
Madhurya.
Pradhan means a prominent. Which thing prominent in Krishna Lila or which is prominent in Mahaprabhu's Lila? These are simple words. You not understand because you are less intelligent. Huh?
They're very intelligent to listen to you.
Listen. If you not understand, no problem. But again listen. Huh? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called Udarja, Udar. Magnanimity. Magnificent, magnanimity. Mahaprabhu. This is the prominent. Or his sweetness, Madhurata, this is your second. Gauna. Mukha and Gauna. This is simple. Mukha means primary and Gauna means secondary. So not understanding. Why not understand? That's the technical words I can. So Sundarja, Sundar Roop, Sundar Gandha. Same Krishna has everything in the form of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But when you deeply analyze Mahaprabhu's Sundarja, beauty, and Mahaprabhu's Anga Gandha, sweetness of his fragrance of his body, and also Sundar Sar. When Krishna plays the flute, everyone intoxicates. Or when Chaitanya just simply chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he did not play any kinds of instrument. No kartal, no mridanga, no jhajar, kansar, nothing. Just simply chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Everybody attached. Krishna played the flute, then everybody attacked it. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he did not play any flute, not anything. He is a devotee playing mridanga, the other thing. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu just chanting holy name everywhere. Especially when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu proceeded to Vrindavan on the way of Jharkhand. Everybody complained. Tiger, lion, snake, he talks with sweet. So this is Sundar Sargandha. Sugandha. Means Sundar Kanta Dhani. That is called So Sarja. Sundar Sar. You cannot imagine what is the voice manifest immediately. coming from the throat of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Yes? Sundar. So Kumarja, Sundar Kamaniya Sarup Mahaprabhu's form. Yes? Very nice. Yes? Picture of his body. Very soft. And Tapta Kanchana Gaura. Yes? Saurasya Adhamritam. Yes? और उदार जो उदारता without discrimination. ब्राह्मणे चंडाले करे कोलाकुली कविवा एचले रंग. When Mahaprabhu should display Brahman Chandal, maybe dog eater, both Brahman and dog eater, they are also embracing to each other. They forget their bodily conception, Dhyatma Bhava. It's a prem manifest. When prem manifest, then automatically what? Bodily conception disappears. Emono Gaurang Bina nahi aat. হয়েছি হয় বা কবে যদি গৌরাঙ্গ নইত তবে কি হইত কেমনে ধরিতাম রে আরে রাধার মহিমা প্রেম রস সীমা জগতে জানাত কে বলো কে জানাত আমার গৌর যদি নাসিত রাধার মহিমা কে জানাত. If Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would not appear in this age of Kali Yuga, who can glorify the magnitude of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested the last limit, the prem of Srimad Radha. अंतिम प्रेम कहाँ प्रभु से? Last limit, the prem of Srimati Radha. Charam Siva. Haridas Charam Siva. There is the Madhunaka Mahabharata. We can understand what is the Madhunaka Mahabharata, but just listening to it. Now listen. One day, by this mercy of Krishna, we are saying Madhunaka Mahabharata. যদি গৌরাঙ্গ নইত তবে কি হইত কেমনে ধরিতাম রাধা और महिमा प्रेम रस सीमा जगते जाना है. Especially Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu mentioned one thing that is called Manjari Bhava. Before Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, no one discussed this katha, Manjari Bhava. And what is the confident service to Manjari? And how will receive this Manjari Bhava? Everything Mahaprabhu discussed. And Karuna Bhava.
But Manjari Bhava existed before, right? But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu made it available, right? For everyone.
Before, no one discussed.
No one discussed openly.
No one discussed openly about Manjari Bhava Katha. Vidyapati, Chandidas, Joydev, they also appeared before Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Mostly they discussed about Sakhi Bhava Katha. Lalita Visakha, they are Sakhi Bhava Katha. But Rupa Goswami Pad, by the cosmos Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained, and very minutely explained how many types of Sakhis and what becomes their mood. Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Prana Sakhi, Krishna Sakhi, and Prana Krishna Sakhi Katha. Okay. Nitya Sakhi and Prana Sakhi, they are called Manjari. That is what the Bhavallas Ruti. Nitya Sakhi. So, in this way, Mahaprabhu manifested this katha. Mahaprabhu, he knows in this very rare people they qualify, they accept. but is giving this as like cloud giving water to everywhere. Rain cloud. Rain cloud is giving water also in the desert. Take that. They know. If I put the water in the desert, useless. मुर्दान रेगिस्तान में पानी बरसाने से क्या होगा? कुछ नहीं होता। बीज ना बीज होगा ना फसल होगा। If the heavy rain in coming in the desert, there will come some crops. No, nothing. So why the rain is falling in there? In the desert. This is the Corona. In the same way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu knows. A stupid nonsense. They don't want to do it, but he still is it. But some things you get. If the rain, heavy rain, if the desert, there is what? Heat, tap will be what? Reduced. Because tap to come hoga. Fasal to nahi hoga. Maybe there is no crops will come. But that heat, temperature will be increase. Decrease. तब तो कम हो जाए कम से कम, बेकार तो नहीं जाएगा, कुछ तो होगा चाहिए. बोलो वृंदावन विहारी. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, at a time he gave all these things also. And it's Mahavada. Maybe tomorrow we'll discuss this.
Gurudev, you say Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is more beautiful than Krishna. How possible?
We say Radha ji is there now. Who is beautiful most? Krishna or Radha? But both is coming. You try to understand milk. Just to give an example, milk. But the color of milk is very nice, beautiful. Okay. Just try to think white. The same milk, if you put that little bit kumkum or kesar, saffron, little bit. Look. Then there is a white color and kesar. More beautiful coming on. What is beautiful? This is. So for this regard, Raghunath Das Goswami chanted this name. Radheti Nama Navasindhu Sidhu. Krishneti Nama. Krishna Nam is like Amrit. Radha Nam is like sweet. What is called? One is nectar and another is called condensed milk. Now both are milk together. Only you drink the nectar, but same nectar with mixed with the milk and drink, and so tasty. Actually, you don't know what is the taste of the nectar. The taste of the nectar actually not sweet. Taste of the nectar little bit kosa, understand? Kosa. See the dictionary. Kosa is actually kosa. But same nectar you mixed with milk and drink. So Radha Nam, Krishna Nam. Radhi, Krishna Nam is as like nectar, Amrit. Radha Nam is the condensed milk. So now it is nectar and milk combined, and milk. Then Raghunath Das Goswami explained this. So Krishna is beautiful, but he is blackish. And Srimati Radhika, she is molten gold. How beautiful. that molten gold covered with a black covered with because transcendental things, if you cannot give one example, you can understand. And all our example is what? Mundane. And a mundane conception will come. But anyhow, you have to understand, because try to understand. One good example, one very nice, beautiful lotus. Buddhism lotus. What colors of lotus? White. Saffron color. Red color lotus. Raktabja. And that lotus you covered with a very thin cloth. What is called chundri, you know?
Veil.
Understand? And that time is more delightfulness will come. And if you will cover with the golden silk, that will come in very nice beauty. In the same way, Radhanam, Krishnanam, Radhanam, they both are nectar Amrit. But how to drink this Amrit? With the condensed milk. So saying Radheti Namo Navasindasi, Krishnesi Namo Navasindasi Sidhu. So both also milk and drink. Radhanam, Krishnanam, So what is it called? Krishna. But his gold. Or combined. You cannot also separate each other. As like what is called? Ladies are putting the bangles. And the bangle inside is color. But you cannot to separate. Very nice. You can see the blue bangles. And inside they put the golden color. So blue and golden color mixed together. Have you seen on a bangle?
Yes.
That bangle, you are looking outside blue color, but inside is what? Yellow color, golden color, and very nice, beautiful. So Krishna inside, outside. Srimati Radhika inside. Are Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Radhika coming outside or inside? Krishna. That's way again opposite way. Bengal, that Bengal. And the blue Bengal. And outside color, blue color. Or inside you can see the golden color. I mean Krishna, inside Radha. Or another way, very nice, beautiful golden bangle. Or inside you can see the blue. That is what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. First example, Krishna, but inside Radha. Or second, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and outside Radha, or inside Krishna. Antar Krishna Bahir Gaura. Radha and Krishna, Radha. Because Radha and Krishna, they cannot separate each other. Good. क्या लिखा है? क्या चीज बता रहे हैं?
वो अमृत का जो स्वाद है जो आप बोल रहे हैं
कोसा 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 कोनी कोसा 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 को होना चाहिए ना ताकि को और को कोसा कोसा
Shall I check on the Sanskrit dictionary?
So that Google.
Huh?
In Google.
इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे लिखेंगे?
K-A
A
सा S K-S K-S-Y होना चाहिए.
आवाज कर
Yeah. It's language. ऐसे तो
कसाई हो गया. कसाई तो
butcher.
S-K-S-Y
K-S
कस K-S-Y
कुशाय में K-A-S-Y
कस्सा लिखा होगा.
क्या चीज है?
5 types of rose, 6 types of rose. One is कस्सा है. 5 types of rose होगी ना. 5 types of नहीं 6 types of rose. सोलह rose.
जो स्वाद करने वाले. It's astringent.
No, but that's not kind of stringent.
ये तो कस्सा लिखा है ना.
It's astringent.
कस्सा
कस्सा.
Adjective.
Astringent.
जैसे वो अनार होता है या
You type in Google meaning of astringent.
जैसे Astringent foods make the mouth feel rough or dry. Astringent taste cleanses the mouth but causes difficulty swallowing. Like leafy greens, green bananas.
Up. Supposed to say up.
Anar.
Astringent.
Astringent.
इसमें लिखा है क्या?
Sure. Kosha. Ya.
In Sanskrit. K-A-S-A-S-A-Y-A.
And pungent means?
And just like ginger, like chilies, you know, like leafy greens, like they're very hard to kind of difficult in swallowing to get the dry mouth from.
समझने के प्रयास करो बस, और क्या.
तो वो नेक्टर कैसे हो सकता है? It's astringent, makes your mouth feel dry. नेक्टर कैसे?
या तो नहीं कोई तो कैसे होता है, कैसे जाना बिना.
कभी लिया नहीं.
नेक्टर कभी पिया ही नहीं. बीस पिया कभी.
It's like
कहाँ पे किस पे BCPI नहीं है तो अमृत कहाँ से Have you drink the poison?
Poison on water.
She's drinking water now.
बोले विष कैसे लगता है?
जैसे लोग कॉफी पीते हैं लेकिन कॉफी बहुत कड़वा होता है.
So yeah, how do you describe the taste of water? How to describe the taste of water in words?
जल के साथ क्या है?
हाँ, क्या शब्द में
tasteless.
जल को भी टेस्ट होता ही नहीं.
तो उसको tasteless बोलते हैं.
जल जिस वस्तु से लाते हैं वही धारण कर देता है. समुद्र के ऊपर क्या बोले, जिस मिट्टी से आता है उस मिट्टी का ही साफ ग्रहण कर देता है.
It gets that property.
Whatever comes in touch with you, contact.
इसलिए बहुत लोग सिर्फ एक डिबेट करता है, जल का अपना स्वाद है कि नहीं है. डिबेट. कोई कहते हैं जल का स्वाद है, कोई नहीं जल का स्वाद नहीं. जल का टेस्ट है कि व्हाट द टेस्ट ऑफ द वाटर?
Taste of the water. It depends if different quality of water.
हाँ?
No, it's not the question.
It's the question, not different. Just water, not different types of water. Plain water. What is the taste of plain water?
H2O. H2O means water. What's the taste of the H2O?
No.
जल के साथ क्या है?
We've tasted water, but we can't describe it. There's no words to describe water unless you taste it.
Maharaj, can I take prasad?
Yeah.
Yes, you can take.
Because I have to go after.
Yes, you can take.
Thank you.
It doesn't fall into these 5 things like sweet, bitter, these things on your tongue.
Separate from it.
Yeah.
What are 6 types of rasa?
6 types.
Separate from those. It's not in the category of the 6 types of taste. It's outside the category.
Sararash. प्रकार के रस.
Yeah.
Bitter, sour, sugar.
Stringent, pungent.
Pungent is
Like ginger, like chilies, like very
Spicy.
spicy.
pungent. Garlic.
Garlic, onions.
Garlic, onion, that is a strange smell.
Pungent. उसको pungent बोलते हैं.
Pungent.
Pungent.
Katu.
Bad smell.
That's bitter. Katu is bitter.
Katu is bitter?
Yeah?
Bitter.
Which is bitter?
Katu, lemon.
Lemon bitter.
Sour.
Sour. Bitter lemon. Sour.
Sour, khatta is sour.
Sour is like
Yeah, yogurt. Sour. Bitter is like karela.
something like that. The other day you were explaining about the Ras, and I was translating and I didn't know the meaning. You said something like Chehya, Leya, Peya, something like that. You saying
Chaturvidha Sri Bhagavat Prasad. What is Chaturvidha?
yeah, like it's like if you are you can suck, you can eat and drink.
Chaturvidha Sri Bhagavat Prasad. Chaturvidha Prasad. What is Chaturvidha Prasad? 4 types of prasad. Chatur means something. Licking
Licking.
or drinking.
Sucking.
Sucking, drinking. इसमें क्या लिखा है?
Licking. Chewing.
The Guru Sasada. So 4 kinds of Bhagavad Prasad that we can chew. That is chewed, sucked, licked and drunk. Substance of the material life.
Or they what? Chaya?
Chabya. Chabya.
How do that?
Chew. And then just drink. Drink.
Chabya Peya?
या जो पीते हैं पान करते हैं
कौन सा चीज पान करते हैं? रस, बेल रस, आम रस, मैंगो जूस, डायरेक्ट यू ऑल्सो है, लेकिन अरे सेकंड है तो चंपो चिस्सो ले जंपो चंपो चिस्सो
I'm going after
Oh, you are
Prasad.
giving donation?
Yes.
Okay.
My husband said I have to give donation.
You follow your instruction of the husband?
Yes.
Okay.
He also is listening to me too.
Huh?
He needs to listen to me too sometimes. Because sometimes wife is right.
Compromise.
No, it's good.
You listen my advice and he says, I listen to advice.
You tell him to chant, and he tells you to give a donation.
No, I try and tell him to chant. He likes to do kirtan, and so we all accept where we are at, and we try. We are good vegetarians.
There you go.
हो गया चलो